Please, allow me to show you something.
Hey, so if you saw my birthday vlog, this is the hairstyle that I did, and I'll just show you how I went through it. So I mentioned when I relaxed my hair this time, I did not straighten it, I didn't flat iron it or anything, and I just decided to do this cute hairstyle. Not what I had planned, but it's what I did. And the tutorial that I followed was, I think, Tarmar Renaye on YouTube. That was it. That was the tutorial that I kind of mainly followed. I still did my own thing. So basically, I path my hair, get the path in front that I want to have. Those two little antennas is what I call it, and then I just comb out the majority of my hair so I can get it into a ponytail. And what I usually do is I don't do the first pass as the main ponytail, I just get it at the angle that I want it, and then I go ahead with my gel. This time I use the Eco Styler gel and slick it down, comb it up into the position that I want it. Make sure you know untucked as I could get it, brush it up, and then is when I do the real like ponytail. And you know, you just want to get it right, sleek and sweet. So yeah, I just go in until I'm comfortable, and then I go ahead and tie that with a woogie. I try not to do it too tight, so I just did like 3 turns with the woogie, and I was satisfied with that. If the woogie still has extra room, I just twirl around the extra and secure it with like a hairpin or a hair clip or whatever. And yeah, so we are in a gear. I'm satisfied with how it's looking, and I said I would use a piece for the bun, you know, to make it look a little more full. But before that, I went in with some got-to-be glue just to, you know, secure the hairstyle for more than one day. The only thing I didn't anyway so I had some pieces of hair that I used for some tracks, and I did the lazy thing and just put all of them in my hair at one time. Now I knew it would have been the lazy way to do it, but I still tried to see if it would work, because I know it will bulge up to the top and some of the tracks from in the middle will show, but whatever, I still tried to make it work. Clearly I was feeling proud of myself there. Comb it out and then go with the bun. So what I did, I just split it in two and twisted it around to make the bun. And from there I started already to realize that the tracks in the middle were showing and it would not work, and I had to go in individually to wrap the tracks. So I had about 4 tracks to wrap individually, and I was frustrated at the moment, so I'm sorry I did not get it on camera, but yeah, you could see I knew it wasn't gonna work. So I went in and I did the proper thing of going all the tracks one by one, and yeah, so this is me doing it one by one. I didn't record the entire process. Boom, bang, hairstyle complete. I was very satisfied with how it was looking, and you know, just getting the path to see, yeah, I was satisfied, and corkscrewing it so it would stay. And then the most important, and I would say it was probably just as lengthy as doing the hairstyle itself, the edges. Listen, your edges, that is like an artistic style of its own. Anyway, the edge control that I use is the edge control that I picked up in my last Pennywise haul, and my edge brush that I got off of Amazon. And yeah, I was just going in there trying to get those details so that it will look cute. And yeah, so if you want to enjoy looking at me trying to perfect these edges, that I did really like how it came out, so no complaints there. But anyway, this is basically my 30th this is basically my 30th birthday hairstyle. I found it was cute, I liked it, and yeah, so this is once I complete, well, almost complete. And then I'll be moving on to the next side. You see that? I like how it looks. Cute. And yeah, this is the next side. But anyway, just want to say thank you guys for subscribing. I'm at, I think, 420 subscribers now. I'm so happy. But still, you can continue to subscribe if you're here. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and I appreciate it very much. Anyway, this is the hairstyle. Satisfied, happy, it's complete. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your week. Stay safe, be blessed, and bye.